Hi, Rachana.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Rachana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Rachana, introduce yourself and what you're calling.
My name is Rachana HK. I completed my graduation in BE Civil Engineering in Govt SKSJTI College, and I joined to CMTI for the certificate course on IDM and BIM.
Okay, Rachana. Have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
One of my faculty member, HOD of my college, he referred the CMTI.
Okay, as you told, you have joined for interior designing management, right? What are the new topics you have learned in interior designing and how the course helped you out to build up your career?
In interior design, we learn the sequence of interior design, why the interior design is important to showcase the product in commercial and to utilize the space in residentials. And I learned so many things, types of what are the core materials, laminates, finishes, colors, combinations, hardwares used.
Okay, fine. How about your software sessions? What are the new topics you have covered in the software? What are the new things you learned in the software?
In software, I learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray, and Revit.
Okay, Rachana. How about your site visits and showroom visits? Where all you have covered and what you have learned?
Went to site visits for a VMR factory and team decor. And then IKEA, I visited IKEA and Design Cafe and Bonito and Glamwood. In that site visit, I learned the factory process and types of laminates and the thickness of the laminates. I get to know that.
Okay, Rachana. How was your interview preparation? How you prepare for your interview? How you crack your interview? What are the things you learned? Start preparing for the interviews.
Um, the preparation of the interviews, a lot of videos and preparation classes are taken in the CMTI. It helps me a lot to crack the interviews.
How was your rounds in the interview? What are the rounds and what are the questions they have asked?
There has so many. Basically, I'm from civil engineering background. They first main thing they ask the why you choose the interior designing, and then they has the what are the core materials and what I learned from the site visits and interior theory classes here. In CMTI, they all questions are very important. They ask the that questions only.
Okay, Rachana. Now, for which role you have selected for?
I selected for a project coordinator.
Okay, I think you are happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rachana. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who wants to join CMTI or who want to take part in CMTI?
Yes, I am referred to join the CMTI for the interior knowledge and they teach you the very good AutoCAD and SketchUp technical softwares also.
Okay, Rachana. Thank you for your feedback. Nice talking with you. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.